Why do I always still play that stupid game? You got the ingredients, so I'm right here. Not short a video. Yuppie, yes. No. The reason why I didn't play it because I didn't download it. Well, whatever you do, don't spoil my ice cream. Okay, I'm gonna take a while, so a little bit of me, a little bit of you, some more bit of you, and other. That's the same thing, but the same thing. Previous kids game, so. But.
Oh, hi! Rough Ruffman here. At home. Sick as. Well, a dog.
Yeah.
Oh, excuse me. I've been playing my favorite video game. Germinator. This time it's infectious. Literally, apparently. You see, you're a germ trying to get inside the bodies of the evil genius Crumpet and her gang, Trumpet, Dumpet, and Nelson. He's very tough. You need to stop them from taking over the world, but their immune systems will try to stop you. I challenge you to try to beat my best score. Now go fetch. First, move toward Nelson's mouth and avoid his system's defenses. Oh, hey, and watch out for spit and mouthwash. They can wash you away.
We will not do this anymore.
The immune system is on the...
Woohoo! Congratulations! Yay, we made it.
Look out for germs like you. Different cells in the immune system can gang up to stop you. Some will recognize you and mark you as a germ.
Wait a minute.
And then others will swoop in and attack you.
Did you ask this, and this? That kinda hurt. I'm gonna throw up. But I'm not gonna sneeze. Maybe I'm not gonna throw up. Actually, I'm gonna sneeze it. Now I'm back.
Excuse me.
What is it?
Watch out! Wait, get away!
Left. Right. He's attacking me. Right. Left. Up. Down.
You made it to the lungs! Ooh, impressive! Nelson needs a nap. Okay, now what you do is bump into as many cells as you can to infect them. Now to infect the green ones, bump into them twice. So, to repeat, it's a twofer on the greens.
First of all, what's a twofer? Second of all, how can I measure 2.5 meters and centimeters?
But keep a lookout. The cells here chase you and try to destroy you. Seriously. Real bad news.
These are the two you ask, right?